my name is Saran and this is Flora. Flora. You've done it again, haven't you? You filled your beak. Would you like me to help you? Yes, okay. Okay, so we have an aubergine. Yes? Oh, does that feel better? Yeah. The things Flora goes through to give us some clues. Okay, and a parsnip. Okay, but they don't have the same sound. No? Parsnip and aubergine. What are they? Vegetables? It's vegetables there. The clue is vegetables. Okay, so vegetables. What does vegetables start with? Vegetables. Oh, is our sound v? Yes, it is. Okay, so let's go and have a think about what words begin with the sound v. See you in a bit. Hi guys, how did you get on? So when we were thinking of the word v, the first thing you thought of actually was volcano, wasn't it? And actually we started off by playing volcanoes and earthquakes, didn't we? And then we went for our daily walk and we found a really nice garden and we saw some beautiful flowers in there, didn't we? And we were saying how lovely they would look in a vase. So vase was a great word. Yes, and then we found some nice vine plants as well all around, climbing up things. And then we came back home and we had a look in the house and we found a voucher, and then it reminded us of the word vulture. So voucher and vulture, they were good words, weren't they? And then we found, I love this, we found a vanilla pod. So vanilla beans, do you know where they come from? No? So vanilla beans come from the fruit of an orchid plant, and they're pretty flowers, aren't they? They are very much indeed. So we use vanilla to flavour lots of our foods, and some people flavour their chocolate drinks with it. And actually one of the most popular flavour for ice cream is vanilla, isn't it? We like our vanilla ice cream, don't we? Okay, so let's now have a look to see what the sound v looks like. The sound is v. The letter name is V. This is a capital V. This is a small v. So we have thought of lots of words beginning with the sound v, haven't we? We've thought of vase, volcano, vulture, voucher, vanilla. What was the other one? Oh, vine. So there was lots of great words. So which word are we going to use for our song? Oh, we haven't covered that one, have we? Van. And the sound they make. So what sound does a van make? Vroom. Great. Okay, so let me have a think here. So let's have a try with this then. Vroom, vroom, van. Vroom, vroom, van. Vroom, vroom, van. Ooh, how does that sound? Is that okay? I bet you could think of a better one than that. Have fun with your v song. See you soon. Bye.